Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Today, our lesson is all about sound energy, and sound energy is chapter 2 of your book. Okay, look at the picture. Look at the picture. So, what's that? What is that?
Singer.
A singer, a concert. Have you been to a concert?
Yes,
No.
I will say the concert.
Just
Ngan ko. And my mother office is happy one, but it's
okay.
different as my mother office is page 5 ขนส่งพื้นที่ห้า
Mm. So, if there is a
Blue.
concert, what is happening there?
They will play the music.
Play the music very loud, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Very loud.
So the music is so loud that I can feel the sound. If the sound is very loud, what happened to our body? What happened to our ears?
It's sometimes it's hurt. Sometimes
It's like moving, no? It's like moving or hurt. Like like the sound of the bass. Like that, no? So like there is like boom, 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 boom. So that is what we call vibration. That's because sound transmitted through vibration. So vibration, like your phone, no? Like the phone, our phone here, like our phone, like this, no? If there is a message, the phone will krk, 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 krk. That is what we call vibration. No, we can silent. There is sound like line, like that one. But me, I use my phone. I used vibration, vibrate, krk, 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 krk. That one. Like everybody, hold your here. Everybody, Jarwan, here. Say something. Like that. So what did you feel?
it's like the voice here is like
There is like a movement, no?
yes.
So that is what we call the vibration. That is vibration. So here, let's proceed here. So let's look at how sounds arises. What is the movement of the sound, the pitch of the sound, the volume of the sound, and why it is not good to listen to loud sounds, how to use sound level meter, and sound pollution. So we will study all of this, how sound arises, the movement of the sound, the pitch of a sound, the volume of a sound, why it is not good to listen to loud music, how to use a sound level meter, and what is sound pollution. Tell me, what is a sound?
Sound is like thing is have and when you make a thing is go down or the natural is like a birds
Say more.
sing.
Okay, it says in your book here, look at in your book, page 23, what is sound? We can produce sound when we speak. We cannot hear Jaruan if Jaruan will not speak.
Textbook or workbook, teacher?
Textbook. No? We cannot hear Tanapon if Tanapon will not speak. If somebody speaks, we can hear, or we can create, we can produce, we can give sound. Am I right?
Yes.
No? Because we speak, or if we play musical instrument. What is musical instrument? Like guitar, drums, flute, keyboard, piano, like that, no? So we use instrument to create sound. Like me, I love to play guitar. No? Many things around us also produce sound. We can hear the chirping of birds. What is the sound of the bird?
As like
What is the sound of the bird? I want to hear Jaruan. Jaruan, what is the sound of the bird? Jaruan, I want to hear Jaruan.
yes, teacher.
What is the sound of a bird?
Chip, chip, chip.
Chip, chip, chip. Who can make a good sound of bird, ma?
Teacher, Corinne?
Ah, yes.
Bird,
Oh,
bird,
matarapon.
bird.
I think teacher Corinne can make the sound of a bird.
Me?
Yes.
Okay. So, sound bird. So when we see when I went to the safari world, no, safari world, I can hear the parrots talking. Can you hear the parrots when you enter the safari world?
Yes.
Yes,
What
it's
is the
very
what is the
loud.
what is the what is the parrot saying?
Uh, uh, dog.
My shy, I can hear this one. I'm on the
Hung. It's very loud.
I can hear that one. I'm on the I'm just kidding. So I can hear before. So it's like that now. They can speak. They can speak. Okay. Now we can hear that one. Chirping of the birds. The meow of the cat. Meow. Meow. What is the sound of the cat? What is the sound of a cat if it is angry?
Meow, meow, meow.
Teacher, my cat. น้องสีชมพู
What is the sound of the cat?
Manafon can do it.
Who?
Manafon.
Okay. So we can hear those sounds if they will make a sound, right? So we can every day we can hear the ambulance. Right? No? So if the ambulance will play that one, it's very painful in the ears. No, it's painful in the ears. Now, what is this? What is this? Observe the cone of a speaker. This one is a speaker. Like my speaker. Like my speaker. This one. Like this now. A speaker. I love speaker. I love speaker. I love speaker. No, so notice that the cone of a speaker, this one here. Wait for a while na. This one here. This one. Notice that the cone of the speaker moves in and out. It is vibrating. Sound is generated from a vibrating source. This vibrating source pushes the air around it, giving rise to sound waves. So that one, if your parents love music, if they love speakers, we can see that one moving. That is what we call vibration, no? So here, if you stand behind the speaker, you will be able to hear the sound.
Yes.
This shows that sound travels or propagates in all direction from the source. So that one, no? So that is what we call sound energy. But before that, no, I will give you first this one. I will give you first this page. What page? This one. I want to see this drawing, page 29, the ears. I want to see that drawing, no? In your notebook now. In your notebook. For those who are listening here, for those who are listening, please draw page 29, the ears, before we will continue talking about sound. Okay, about sounds. So, I want you to draw in your notebook now. As I have said, I will not talk a lot today. It's Friday. So, I will give you the drawing, only the drawing. Page 29, draw the ears, label, write the words, the kakalea, stirrup, anvil, hammer, ear canal, outer ear, eardrum, middle ear, inner ear. That one, huh? I want to see that one today. You do it now. I will not talk to, I will not talk more, but I am waiting for your work. I am waiting for your work. I will end the video now. I mean the recording, but you need to draw this one. Color it. Color, please. No
Teacher, do
color.
we send in the line?
Send in the line. Okay, send in the line. And our what's this? Our album. Okay, again, for those who are listening this one, for those who are absent, please draw the ears, the parts of the ears, page 29. Okay, I will wait for your work. Okay.